hell meaning grave is a little bit of a heavy definition to force on that the idea of the pagan Catholicized version of hell that we see talked about in the not in the New Testament times, but in hundreds of years after that. The idea of hell being a place of being awake is not something you see, especially in Ecclesiastes, where it says the dead know nothing, and that they sleep. And even Yeshua himself saying that the dead sleep.
Okay, you've already brought up those points here, Josh, and as Ray was quoting, and Ray, I guess we can even look at Luke chapter 16, the rich man and Lazarus. I mean, there was torment that was going on, but it wasn't just confined to that, because we find in Revelation that death and hell are cast then into the lake of fire, and it's a lake that does burn forever and ever. It is certainly that eternal damnation is something that out of a motivation of love to keep people from experiencing such torment should motivate us to share the gospel.
Absolutely, and our friends seem to miss what Jesus said. It doesn't call him Jesus either. He uses the Hebrew word that people don't understand, Yeshua, something I'm deeply concerned about. Most people will call Jesus Yeshua will not use the English word Jesus, and they're offended by it and angered by it. But this is what Jesus said. Fear not him who has power to kill your body, and afterwards do no more, but fear him who has power to kill your body and cast your soul into hell. That's not speaking of the grave. People's souls don't get cast into hell. And so it's an unbelief when it comes to scriptures and dissipates any concern about your own sin and the fate of others.
Thank you for the call here, Josh. Our phone number to Crosstalk 800-733-9829, 800-733-9829. Danville, Kentucky. Terry, thanks for calling Crosstalk. You're on the air.
Yes, sir. Thanks for being there. For John's benefit, he needs to get a copy of Ray's Hell's Best Kept Secret. I just want to thank Ray. One of the first resources put in my lap was that study that Ray did on that called Hell's Best Kept Secret, and I would recommend that to John. There's a chasm between Lazarus and the rich man, one in paradise, one in hell. So I just want to thank Ray for being there. Appreciate everything he does, and keep Ray for living waters.
No, thank you so much. Appreciate it,
sir.
Thank you, Terry, for your phone call here today. And indeed, Ray, for those who aren't familiar with Hell's Best Kept Secret, give us a word about it.
Yeah, the teaching I did, I came over here, invited to come here and share the teaching. David Wilkes, I heard it, flew to New York. Bill Gothard heard it, filmed me sharing it with 1,000 pastors. He screened it with 30,000 pastors. And then in the year 2001, actor Kirk Cameron heard the teaching, listened to the audio twice. He said, rock my world, he called us, we wanted to combine ministries, we did, and that's the beginning of our television program. So people can actually listen to the audio at the bottom of the homepage of livingwaters.com. It really is an eye-opener, it's a life changer. The teaching changed my life, and it's really what America needs to get back to.
Okay, let's go to, Mike is next out of Mount Pleasant. Mike, you're on the air.
Hi, I had a brilliant idea. I'm retired, I live on Social Security retirement, I make very little money. I'm not able to hold a job. And Ray Comfort mentioned that somebody donated $100,000 to him to be used to honor his coronation, whatever way you see fit. I think Ray should have some type of a contest, like a raffle or something, so that listeners of WBCY who cannot afford to go to London will have a way paid for. Airfare, hotel, food for this stay, and England for the coronation.
Well, that's an interesting idea here, Mike, but raffle's certainly not a way that we would endorse. We want to certainly put this into ministry. But tell you what, maybe you want to reach out to your local church and or talk to businesses, about getting together resources to help provide. If you've got a passion to go, to have people in your local church be praying that those resources might be made available for you to actually go and help share the gospel. Any thoughts, Ray?
Yeah, that's what we said in the video. If you can't afford to go yourself, show the video to your church, and those who want to go, sponsor them so they can get there. Have to pay for their fare over there, and that's one way you can be involved in it, and it's a great idea.
Yeah, indeed, and certainly it is going to cost much as far as the actual printing. And I know, Ray, you're going to be taking a crew as well for filming Special Way of the Master. Is that correct?
Yes, our camera crew's doing content from Way of the Master. There's going to be a lot of B-roll we can get, people witnessing the incarnation itself. They've got fresh pastors to get into the right places, so we're very excited to produce a television program. And those who go will probably get on the program. We're going to have a convention. We're going to have meetings the night before, teaching Christians how to share their faith, and Ken Ham's going to be involved, and our team involved. And like I said, teams going to Australia. We've got teams from Europe going to be there, and our television crew's going to be there also.
Ray Comfort with us here today on Crosstalk. Our number 800-733-9829. That's 800-733-9829. For information about Operation London, you can go to livingwaters.com/London, livingwaters.com/London to get all the details and what the plan and the goal is. Ray, you'll get to see a sample of the gospel track there as well, correct?
Yes, on that website, there's a sample. Just the front. We're still working on that, still doing graphics. There's a huge amount of work involved something like this.
Ray, what do you find is the biggest hindrances that are keeping people from sharing videos?
Well, if you push any soldier into it's not going to be very courageous, but if you give them state-of-the-art weapons, it's going to produce courage. And so I encourage people to look at what Jesus did when he shared the gospel, especially in Luke 16, I think it is, my brain's a bit fried. Anyway, the rich young man came to him, and much like their eternal life. And Jesus did not give them the good news, he gave them the commandments, because he said there's none good but God. And his commandments were given to show the rich young ruler that God wasn't first in his life. And so when you learn how to witness biblically, when you learn how to address the conscience, it changes everything. Right? I mean, I can sit next to an Einstein on a plane and not be ill intimidated, because I'm not addressing his intellect, I'm addressing his conscience. And the conscience is a judge in the courtroom of the mind, an ally right in power of him, agrees with commandments. So when you argue with someone about the existence of God or theory of evolution, you're going to get contention, but if you take them through the commandments as Jesus did, and you show that lust is a doctrine, hatred is murder, and lying is an abomination of the Lord, that conscience, which means good knowledge, honest word, science, and knowledge, affirms the truth of the two commandments. So that takes the key out of witnessing. You don't have to be an expert in apologetics to share the gospel. You just have to know what Jesus did, and that's the basis for a television program, a way of the master of what Jesus did.
Michael is calling from Dousman. Michael, you're on the air.
Hey, so I listen to you every day, Ray, and I just wanted to take this chance to say thanks. I've learned a lot from your YouTube channel, and I particularly love when you reach somebody. I don't want to listen to today, I forgot which one it was, but it always makes me cry inside. Tears of joy for everybody you bring home.
Oh, that's so encouraging. Our YouTube channel just passed 225 million. We're so encouraged by it. I mean, go back 34 50 years, sort of reach it with people. We have an act to say, we combine church and preach the gospel, it's going to cost millions of dollars, burning camp together, we're getting churches together. But with this thing called YouTube, we get to take the gospel right across the world with a click of a button. So I said 225 million views, the more people subscribe, the bigger it becomes and has more reach. So that's also how you can see how to share the gospel biblically. You can see atheists backsliding in minutes, and they see scientific proof of God's existence. You see evolution just dismantled with one word from Jesus, who said in the beginning, God made the male and female. I told that to a guy the other day that believed in evolution, and immediately dropped that picture because I didn't know that. So these little things can really help you. You can see how powerful principles are of God's word and watch our YouTube channel and see in action.
Thank you so much for the call here today. And Ray, again, they can find the YouTube channel livingwaters.com/London to learn more about Operation London. Back in just 1 minute.
For the Worldview Report, I ran a house. Our website is worldviewreport.com. Klaus Schwab with the World Economic Forum recently on video was praising China and all their accomplishments and talking about China as a great model for the rest of the world. Really? Communist China? Well, should we really be shocked when we realize that Klaus Schwab admits on his own website, the World Economic Forum website, that he was mentored by Maurice Strong? Maurice Strong was the head of the Earth Summit in Rio in 1992 and gave us Agenda 21, now known as Agenda 2030. It was Maurice Strong who said, isn't it really hope for the planet that the industrialized civilization collapse? Isn't it our responsibility to bring that about? Well, that's exactly what they're doing, and the World Forum says by 2030 you'll now need to be happy. They openly brag about taking advantage of one crisis after another, but many of them are manipulated. Will they manipulate the railroad crisis, the strike continuing December 9th, the economic crisis, the border crisis, the drug crisis? You bet they will. Are you prepared? I'm Brandon House.
You're listening to Crosstalk on BCY America, and Ray Comfort is our guest from Living Waters. He's the founder and CEO of Living Waters, best-selling author. If you go to their website, folks, you'll find a ton of resources from books to DVDs to gospel tracks to links to their YouTube channel, etc. livingwaters.com, and then if you do a /London, you'll get information about Operation London as well. Let's go to Huxley, Iowa, and Bob is calling. Hi, Bobby, you're on the air.
Hey guys, thanks for taking my call real quick. I just wanted to call and echo the previous caller about the outstanding work that Ray puts out. I saw Evolution Works Out for the first time at Tim Ham Park actually, and it's absolutely fantastic. I appreciate and I'm encouraged by his boldness, and I just recently read Undeniable Evidence, and I absolutely love how Ray intertwined witnessing and evangelizing in that. It gave me a world of great ideas, and I just want to thank him and encourage him, and yeah, thank you.
I mean, that is really encouraging because when I started putting word for word with the transcripts of past YouTube videos and books, I know a lot of people don't appreciate this, and I found I have. I mean, I've worked related to people with this and years when reading the transcript of the real life witnessing session. So we've been putting those in and having commentary on them, and it really seems to have worked. So I thank God, and thank you for sharing that.
Yeah, it helped out tremendously. Plus, the repetitiveness allows you to rehearse and role play, and a great part of Undeniable Evidence that is paramount. It's like you're getting
Ray, you've impacted so many people. We have a couple in our church that aren't from London, and they go out and share. She does, his husband go out and shares with so many women every Saturday your tracks, and they use your material to share the gospel. And they share that with me, so I ordered some of your material. But the guy that really catalyzed this was a man from Kosovo, and he became a Christian because of the gospel. His brother accepted Christ. He became a Christian, started a church in Kosovo, moved to the United States, goes to our church, uses your material. I'm going to encourage my friends from London to go, and we're going to find a way to finance them to go.
Wow.
So thank you for doing this.
That's amazing, Ray.
Yeah, it's just so encouraging. Thank you for sharing that.
Thank you, Jim. Lee in Santa Fe, New Mexico, you're on the air.
Yes, I just wanted to ask you the growing list of compliments coming into UA. And one of the things that has always been impediment when I speak to someone who's not a believer and has some definite terms like homosexuality, flares, those kind of things, is how you present fear as a Christian. Because people always kind of get bad and really horrible to God. When fear is what things like. And if you ever, I mean, if you, I know it's over short, you're not aware of this broadcast time, but you're telling people going to the cliff and being warned about something. It's the same your life if you don't want to fall off the cliff, where fear is a good thing. And I think it's so very important when you're talking to people that are defensive.
Fabio Ray, you know what I hear saying? You don't want them to go down that pathway of destruction.
Yeah. Fear makes you put on parachute. When you put on a parachute, for the fear is explained by the enemy. The Bible says the fear of the Lord is the end of wisdom. It also adds to the fear of the Lord is the path of evil. And if people don't fear God, they want the path of evil because they think God's kind of slightly Catholic. God doesn't think Christ is preaching at fear. Much Adam's fear. Like when anyone thinks it's nothing like that. The Bible says, the psalmist says, my soul trembles, my flesh trembles, fear of you. So fear of God is the everything. And you can bring fear of the Lord by just going through the levels. And natural fear, someone sinning against God will kick him and drive him to the foot of the cross.
Lee, thank you for the call. We're going to squeeze one last caller in. This is Brian calling from Williamstown, Kentucky. You're on the air, brother.
Hey, good afternoon, brothers. Good to hear your voices, Jim and Ray. Just like to say, I would love to come to
London.
London. I know I work at the Ark, and I was wondering if maybe Ken would bring me along. But anyway, it's good to hear your guys' voices, and I just love to be able to share the gospel with your $1 billion trap. The one thing I love to do is when sounds funny when you're in the bathroom, you can roll up one of those $1 billion bills, stick it in the toilet paper, and the next time somebody comes to use it, they have something to remember.
Right, Brian, thank you for your call here today. Ray, we're down to less than half a minute. What do you want to leave with our listeners?
Yeah, just pray for us, pray to God. Go to the Luke's Blog, we get far more than 10,000 Christian shop. They take advantage of this wonderful opportunity. livingwaters.com/London, you can details what to do.
And friends, be praying for the efforts, and consider as the tracks come out about getting in them and sharing them locally as well. You know somebody who wants to go, see if you can help make it possible for them to go. Ray, thank you for having the vision to put this together, and be praying that God certainly will bless the fruit of the labors.
Well, thank you, brother.
Ray Comfort, our guest here today, livingwaters.com/London. Thanks for joining us today on Crosstalk.
You've been listening to Crosstalk via satellite and the internet from BCY America. Views expressed may or may not be those of this station. For CD of today's program, send a donation of $6 or more to BCY Tape Ministry, 3434 West Kilbourne Avenue, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 53208, or download by RSS or podcast from crosstalkamerica.com. And join us again for Crosstalk. I'm John Scott. Consumers looking for more discounts on Cyber Monday. Shelley on the report.
Cyber Monday is expected to remain the year's biggest online shopping day with up to $11.6 billion in sales. That's according to Adobe Analytics, which tracks transactions at over 85 of the top 100 online stores in the U.S. That forecast represents a jump of about $1 billion consumers spent last year. Adobe's numbers are not adjusted for inflation, and some analysts have said top-line numbers will be boosted by higher prices. I'm Shelley Adler.
Also at SRNews.com, the world's largest active volcano spews some ash and lava. And officials warning residents of Wise Bay Island to prepare for a possible larger eruption. U.S. Geological Survey warned the island's 200,000 residents
that an eruption of Mauna Loa could be very dynamic, and the location in advance of lava flows can change rapidly. The eruption began late Sunday night in the volcano on the Big Island following a series of closely spaced, fairly large earthquakes. A major power failure at a Houston water purification plant led to a boil water advisory. Houston Mayor Sylvester Turner spoke with KTRK.
The first transformer failed, and then the redundant one was the second transformer, which coincidentally and uniquely also failed. So there were two transformers. One was the backup to the first.
Best case scenario, water service is restored tonight. Officials say more than 2 million people in the Houston area are affected. Stocks are sharply lower. The Dow is down 443 points, and the Nasdaq down 171. This is SRN News. The Barna Group asked Americans about pastors.
Would you go to talk to a clergyman about a difficult situation in your life? If you're a Christian, the answer is most likely yes. But Barna asked everybody. Well, it turns out that 70% of the general population also say yes. Christian pastors are a good source to consult when thinking about topics that matter most to them. This view is shared by 84% of Republicans and over 2/3 of Democrats.